Whether you're living in a cozy city apartment, traveling the country in an RV, or just tired of waiting days for your favorite shirt to air dry, your laundry day is about to get a serious upgrade. Welcome back. If you're looking for a way to skip the laundromat and get fresh, warm clothes in record time, this mini portable clothes dryer is the absolute space-saving powerhouse for 2026. This isn't just a basic heater. It is a high-efficiency convection drying system that focuses on micron-level deep cleaning. The headline feature for 2026 is its 50-minute express cycle, which can dry essential items or light outfits in under an hour. Unlike traditional bulky dryers that can damage delicate fabrics, this mini model uses gentle, consistent heat combined with a built-in UV cleaning system to ensure your clothes aren't just dry, but also deeply refreshed and free from allergens. What really makes this dryer stand out for 2026 is its near-silent operation and extreme portability. Operating at a low noise level that won't disturb your sleep or work-from-home meetings, it features a customizable time setting so you can set it and forget it. Finished in a modern, minimalist gray, it's incredibly lightweight and designed to fold down or fit into tight corners, making it arguably the most versatile laundry solution for anyone with limited square footage. Whether you're drying baby clothes, gym gear, or business casual, it's the easiest way to keep your wardrobe ready for anything. Click the link below for the best price and reclaim your living space today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect laundry hack, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually simplifies your daily routine. See you in the next one.